Welcome friends to another session of the Silk Route to Excel at Work. The past few sessions we have been learning about the various functions in Excel and a few tips and tricks to get the best out of Excel. Thanks for being with me. Please inform your colleagues, friends to subscribe so that they, you, me can all excel at work. We will continue on the shortcuts that you have been looking at the past few videos. In this session, we'll have a look at the cell edit shortcuts. Pretty useful and most of you might be already using them. Nevertheless, let's have a quick look at the cell edit shortcuts. Excel cell edit shortcuts starts with edit active cell, which is F2 key. Once edit this one, just click F2 and then you can edit it here in the cell itself. For editing in the formula bar, there's no shortcut, just go there and edit. For editing in the cell, use the F2 key. To cancel entry, press escape. That is, if you are typing something here, this is shortcut. No, this is wrong. Let us remove this. Just put escape. Next is select one character right, shift right key. Select one character left, shift left key. So when you are in a cell, I click F2 and I want to select one character to my left. I use shift right key for right character to select right character. To left, shift left key. I can select one character at a time. This includes spaces. If I am here again, I use the left arrow and then again go to the right with one character at a time, including the space, using a shift and right arrow keys. Move one word right is control right key. Move one word left is control left key. Remember, this is not moving the word, it is moving to the word. That is, I'm here, I want to go to the next word, I use control right key. If I want to the previous word, I go the control left key. This control left or control right takes me to the starting of the word next to a blank space. There are multiple blank space in series, that is I got 3 blanks here. I use the control left key or the control right key. I still go to the starting of the word. Select one word right is shift control arrow key to the right. Select one word left is shift control left arrow key. So I'm here in the middle of the cell. I use shift control right key to select one word including the blank to the right. If you have multiple blanks, let's see what will happen. I'm here again. I select shift control right key. It selects the word including the blanks after the word. So if I am here and I select shift control left arrow key, this is how it selects. So the blanks after a word are part of the word. We'll continue. This is select all data to beginning of cell is shift home. This is for going a single line in a cell. For multiple lines in a cell, if you want to go to beginning of the cell, go click control shift home. That is, in this particular cell, there is only one line without any wrap text. So here control home takes me to starting of the cell. If I'm editing this cell here, if I click control home here, is go to start of the cell because this is not using a wrap text function. Here. Control home takes me to starting of the cell while home key takes me to start of the particular line. Wherever I am, doesn't matter. It takes me to starting of the line. Same thing in this cell. Home takes me to starting of the line. Control home takes me to starting of the cell. Same thing in reverse. End takes me to end of the particular line. Control end takes me to last character of the cell. If you want to select all the data, shift home, F2, shift home goes to select all the data in a particular line, while here again I use shift home, takes me to here. If I want to select all this data right from the start to the end, the combination is control shift and home. If I am at the starting of the cell, I want to select the right till the end, I use shift and shift control end. If I want to select the end of the line, I use shift end. Start next line in same cell, alt enter, which we have been doing here. I'll again show it to you how it is done. After the end of the line, we want to go to the next sentence, that is the next para in the same cell, use alt enter. So for example, this is the first line, and then you want to go to the next para in the same cell, use alt enter and type this is the second para. Some people use the space bar to go to the next line, that is I use space bar till end of the row, and then when it goes to the next cell I type this is the third para. So it looks like it's the third para, but when you start either decreasing the cell column width or increasing the column width, the shown. So here you see the second para is always second para, while this the third para is sometimes part of the second para itself. That's why use the alt key combination, alt enter key combination here. Again selecting all the blanks here. Delete this, use alt enter key to go to the next para. So here irrespective of your column width, second para is always in second line, the third para is always in the third para. There is no overlapping, there is no question of jumbling of the paras. Delete character left, backspace, delete character right of cursor is delete key. Thanks for watching. Hope you have seen the cell edit shortcuts. The next session we will have a look at the formatting shortcuts. Thanks for watching. With this, we come to end of this session of Excel at Work. Hope you have learned something new or refreshed what you already know. Please share this with your friends, family and colleagues to help them, you and me to excel at work. Thanks for watching.